Hi, good day to you, mom and sir, and to my future employer. My name is Mary Jency Andrade, 30 years of age, high school graduate, currently living here in Philippines. I have working experience in Dubai as domestic helper with a 5 family, one madam, one sir, and 3 beautiful kids ages 3, 2, and 6 months old. I have working experience in Qatar, 3 years as domestic helper with a 4 family, one madam, one sir, and 2 beautiful kids ages 1 to 4 months old. My duties and responsibilities there is to feed them, play with them, dress up with them, and I know how to cook, doing iron, wash clothes, wash the dishes, wash the car. If you hired me, ma'am, sir, I will do my duties and responsibilities to love your family as my own family and to love your children as my own. Thank you.